sand piles, a construction zone, stoplights, wet paint. Good morning, everyone. It's a little bit stressful here. My husband's off picking up the platters. He left about an hour ago. This guy is insane. Jack's disappeared downstairs to code on his computer. And I am just cleaning and doing party prep. It's not too bad, like I'm not stressing too much over things. My husband cleaned the bathroom, which is awesome. I need to vacuum, but right now I'm doing surfaces. Some dishes are drying that I need to put away. More dishes running. I got the pasta salad started. Oh, and this is what I did yesterday. We got a cool truck balloon that we got from the party store. I always just do some streamers here. And this is where everything will be. Currently it is slightly blocked to discourage the puppy from clawing these really cheap tablecloths. Nothing's in there yet, baby. Show them your shirt. What does it say?
I dig dirt.
I dig dirt. Here it is. Here's the food table, all finished. We've got some landscaping, 2x4s, square salad, nuts and bolts, sand piles, a construction zone, stoplights, wet paint, and wrecking balls. And from the store, we got some catering trays to make some sandwiches. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sebastian. Happy birthday to you. You blow that one out. One more, you can do it.
Jack, stop.
You could probably get a trash bag, huh? Finally figured out the opening thing.
Ooh, you got
What? A tow truck?
That's so cool. You get the tape. There you go. You do the rest. I got the tape.
She likes everything with 4 legs.
There.
He's
Now
just
you
a
can
little
do the
crazy
rest.
still. He's little.
Throw it on the ground.
Whoa, what is that?
Ooh, you got an ice cream truck.
Cool.
Cool, buddy.
Oh, yeah. I want for hair.
Okay, brush his hair.
Okay, Mr. Overdramatic.
Go ahead, brush his hair.
Oh boy, let's go back it.
Yeah, he's not being very sensitive to the fact that you're feeling very tired.
I need to brush his hair too. Now I will brush his hair.
Alright guys, we finished the party. Was it fun?
Yeah.
That was
so much
fun.
fun.
That was the biggest turnout we've had at a kid party, definitely. I made 12 regular favor bags and 4 baby ones, and we gave away every single one. So everybody had a great time. Sebastian got a lot of fun presents.
I can't wait to
hug
read it.
you. I will hug you. I will hug you. I will hug you. I will hug you.
Friends, what a day. Whew. I think I was standing for all of it except for the drive to dinner and eating dinner. And I sat after dinner to have a piece of cake. That's it. But Sebastian's party was a huge success. He loved it. We had, I believe, 16 kids and babies come. 18 if you include Jackson Sebastian, because I made 12 kid favor bags and 4 baby ones, and they were all gone. Usually I have a ton extras left, but everybody seemed to have a really good time. The food turned out well. I'm sure you've seen all these video clips. I don't have a lot of video from the party itself because I was just in the moment and helping Sebastian, helping the guests. And I'm a little sad I don't have any pictures of me. Usually I have like pictures in a video of me when we do the cake, but my brother wasn't here yet. They were running late. So I just filmed that part standing beside Sebastian. So I at least have the song. And that's about it. It was chaotic but great. Everybody had fun. And yeah, I don't have any parties to do until February. I love doing it, but it overwhelms me because I'm a perfectionist and it's stressful. Anyway, we got a lot of thank yous. His friends were very generous. He's got so many cool new toys that he was hoping to get. And Ziggy was good. I heard he was barking. My husband says he was barking. He was up here in his crate for the party. I couldn't hear him over all the noise. And when he came down, he was so nice for the last couple families that were still here. He was a really good boy. And unfortunately, he's crated because my husband's out, and we are doing baths and showers. But he's a tired guy because he did play a lot when he came back out, and I think it's exhausting when you're complaining in your crate for 3 hours. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow for Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the birthday wishes for Sebastian. And thank you for your support. It's fun making these. I'm really enjoying looking back and watching them, and the kids enjoy watching them too. So thank you for coming and joining us on this crazy journey called life. And we will see you tomorrow. Good night.